My dear students, in the previous class, we were learning about how the boys of the school Shantiniketan used to get up early in the morning, long before the sunrise, and take a round around their school by chanting or singing some beautiful hymns. Now let us continue today the same topic, a day in the ashram. When the morning work is over, the boys bathe and go to their meal about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Yes. After morning work was over, the boys used to take bath almost in the afternoon and they would go to have their means lunch at about 2 o'clock. The classes begin again. Yes, I mean the afternoon classes begin again right from 2 o'clock. But at this time, the work is chiefly with the hands as well as with the mind. Right from morning till around about 1 and 1:30, some book work was there, okay, and students used to learn with the help of books. But now after 2 o'clock, when they go for afternoon classes, in these classes, the work was chiefly on crafts and handiwork. Crafts and handiwork means, I think you might have heard about or seen some important handiworks like carpentry, okay, spinning, weaving, sewing, painting, etc. So the afternoon class was chiefly on the basis of the students' interest, in which area they were very much interested. Therefore, at this point of time, teachers used to teach the students works with the hands as well as mind. Handiwork was practiced then, and the boys' own natural tastes, okay, were very soon discovered. There, the boys' natural tastes means, in fact, which student is interested in which area. The area of the interest of the students was very soon discovered. Some prefer carpentry, others prefer mechanical work. Yes, some people preferred carpentry and some others preferred mechanical work. Others still enjoyed some other kinds of handiworks, namely spinning and weaving. Spinning means spinning ಅಂದರೆ ನೂಲು ತೆಗೆಯುವುದು, ವೀವಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೇಯುವುದು. ಸ್ಪಿನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೂಲುವುದು, ವೀವಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೇಯುವುದು. ನನಗನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೇಕಾರರು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬಹುದು. ಯಾರು ಬಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನು ನೇಯ್ತಾರೋ ಮಗ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ, ಕೈ ಮಗ್ಗ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪವರ್ ಲೂಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲೂಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪವರ್ ಲೂಮ್ಸ್. ದೆರ್ ಆರ್ ಟೂ ಕೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೂಮ್ಸ್ ಟುಡೇ. ಅಂತಹ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಹೂ ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ or who received education at Shantiniketan should be able to stand on his own legs and earn his own bread and butter in his future life without being dependent on anyone. The education was ensuring that every student should be independent in his future life. Such a living education was being imparted to the students. That is why the writer of this lesson, C.F. Andrews, calls this type of education as living education. In fact, this name is really worthy of its quality education, I think. Others became skilled craftsmen or painters, and still others were musicians. It means that some students went on practicing carpentry, some others mechanical work, spinning, weaving, then craft works, painting, and playing some musical instruments, and also singing and dancing. So these kinds of wonderful crafts and skilled works or skilled aspects were being taught to the students. Therefore, students were very much interested in learning, and learning was really a living one. There was no chance for, or there was no space for the student to be bored. Every student would get lot of interest. It's because of the quality education and the type of education. Even the mode of education, imparting education, was quite different from those of our schools what we have today in this modern world. It's because already we came to understand that there were no classrooms at all, but students used to sit in the open fields right under the shade of trees. Not only that, students' work was very high when compared to the job of a teacher. The teacher's job was very small, less there. It's because teachers were to just answer the questions asked by the students. Most of the time, students were engaged and they used to ask a number of questions, queries to get their doubts clarified. It means the class was really democratic, we can tell, because there was fair chance to each and every student to ask question and get clarification for his every doubt he had. There is very little book work in the afternoon. Yes, in the afternoon, already I told you that there was a very little work in the afternoon. Here it is given in the present tense. There is very little work in the afternoon. School is over at about 4 o'clock, and then there is a rush to get first into the great open fields for football. Our Shantiniketan boys are famous everywhere for their sports and games. Under afternoonally, the little book work is there, and as soon as the school time is over, as soon as the school is over at about 4 o'clock, all the students, there has been a great rush of the students towards open fields. What for? To play football. Yes, even the students who are not lagging behind when it comes to practicing and playing various kinds of games, that what you also play in our school ground. That is why, the Shantiniketan school boys were famous for all kinds of sports and games. It is enough for it is enough for us to understand that students must have practiced all kinds of games and sports very well in manner. Now, it is all about in the afternoon. And what did they do in the evening? Let's understand. In the evening at sunset, sunset means Suryasta in Kannada. When the sun is about to set down, what was going on? In the evening at sunset, they return from the fields and sit down once more for a short time to meditate in silence. Yes, in the evening, after the return from the fields, having played football, when they come back from the football fields, once again they have to fresh up themselves and sit for a short meditation. I told you already, meditation has to be a part and parcel of our life, which helps us to increase our power of concentration. Like Vivekananda. Once, Vivekananda was sitting for meditation. He was doing it well with full of concentration. His concentration was such powerful that he was unaware about the fact that there was a cobra, big cobra. All students were afraid frightened and ran away from the place, shouting at Vivekananda, Narendra, go away, go away. Okay, there is a cobra, they said. But Narendra was not in that mood to listen because Narendra was fully immersed, involved, engaged, engrossed in his meditation, and therefore he couldn't understand that there was a cobra. So, this is the power of concentration of Swami Vivekananda. Yes, here also students used to sit for a short meditation, especially in the evening, as soon as they come from playing football. How to do meditation? Usually meditation has to be done so silently, otherwise proper meditation does not take place. Yes, here also students would sit in the evening after they come back from the football grounds for a short meditation that they do in full of silence. As night comes, fairy tales are told. Fairy tales means very interesting. Tales. Tales means kathegalu. Here fairy tales means legendary tales. ದಂತಕಥೆಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಕಟ್ಟು ಕಥೆಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥವು. Fairy tales are told, especially stories are very interesting that create a lot of interest in small children. Dear students, I hope you also might have heard such wonderful stories, okay, from your grandparents when you were small children. As night comes ಅಂದರೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಂತೆ, as night comes, fairy tales are told, short dramas are recited, or Gurudeva's songs are sung, and different school gatherings are held. ರಾತ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು? Some fairy tales are told, short dramas are recited, ನಾಟಕಗಳು. Dramas means ನಾಟಕಗಳು. Recited means ಅದನ್ನು ಪಠಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಅಂದರೆ ಡ್ರಾಮಾವನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹಾಗೆ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಡ್ರಾಮಾಗ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಎಲೈ ಸಾರಥಿ ಹೇಳುವಂಥವನಾಗು, ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಈ ಥರ ಕೇಳಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ಥರ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ರಿಸೈಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಡ್ರಾಮಾಸ್. ಆರ್ ಗುರುದೇವ ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಂಗ್. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ದೇ ವುಡ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ number of songs written by Gurudeva. Once again, let me remind you people of Gurudeva, who he was. Who is Gurudeva here? Yes, he is Rabindranath Tagore, the founder of the school Shantiniketan. Our Gurudeva's songs are sung in the evening, and different school gatherings are also held. ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾದರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಶಾಲೆಯ ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾದರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವ ಸಮಾರಂಭಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ನಾಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ, ಬಟ್ at some nights they used to have some gatherings of schools. By 9 o'clock at night, all are glad to retire to rest. All are glad. Glad means ಸಂತೋಷ, ಜಾಯ್, ಹೌದಾ, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಬೈ 9 o'clock ಅಂದರೆ 9 ಗಂಟೆ ಒಳಗೆ. ಬೈ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಒಳಗೆ. ಯಾವ ಸಮಯದ ಒಳಗೆ? 9 ಗಂಟೆಯ ಸಮಯದ ಒಳಗೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ? ರಾತ್ರಿ. ಬೈ 9 o'clock all are glad to retire to rest. And again the choristers go round the ashram singing their last evening hymn. ಹೌದು. Even at night, by 9 o'clock, once again all choristers should go around the school by singing their last hymn of the day. Hymn andre mantra. Already I told you in previous classes. There can be no question as to the happiness of the life of our boys. Yes. There can be no question as to the happiness of the life of our boys. ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾರವೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ ಇದ್ರ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಗತ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವರ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ students' interests were soon discovered and encouraged by the teachers, and therefore students were really happy. Their happiness in reality knew no bound at all. ಅವರ ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾರವೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Their faces tell the story of their joy and their freedom. Yes, if anybody comes and looks at their faces, especially at night, definitely their faces tell the story how much they are happy, how much freedom they do have, because they can go outside to play. There is a vast playground for them to play various kinds of sports and games. There are no restrictions as we have here. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, you must do so and so homeworks, you must write, okay, ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟಿಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್. ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಲಿ ದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ರನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ರೆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿಲಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡೇಟ್ರಿ. ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ even if you don't have interest in one of the subjects. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ದ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ or in which so and so students are more interested. There is no force at all. There is no freer life in India than the life of our children at Shantiniketan. ಅಂದರೆ ಲೇಖಕರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, there is no freer life in India than the life of our children at Shantiniketan. ಅಂದರೆ one cannot see such a free life, such a life where students have got wonderful freedom, liberty, that they can play, listen to classes, attend or practice whatever subject they were more interested in, like that. Okay, but here it is not like that. I told you already very clearly that all students must study all the subjects, all the scholastic subjects. Even if you don't have interest, you must take interest. Okay, now dear students, the lesson got ended at this point of time. Now let me ask you a few questions which I would like to post here, okay, after scanning them, so that you should answer all these questions very satisfactorily. Don't see and write. You have to write answers on your own capacity so that I can understand how intelligent you are. I hope you do not take the help of anyone. Please don't expect assistance from anyone. Do it on your own. Doesn't matter. Even though some questions or some answers for some questions go wrong, I will take care of them. Okay? I hope you will do it so honestly. Thank you, and let me post these questions very shortly. Thank you once again.